Athens Furious Festival Volume 4. Τρίτη μέρα και τελευταία, Κυριακή. Έχουμε ξεκινήσει ήδη, γίνεται χαμούλης. Και για να δούμε λίγο αρένα. Ωραίος. Εκεί στο βάθος έχουμε ένα drone, άβατα. Ετοιμάζεται λοιπόν ο φίλος μας, ο Οδυσσέας.
Καλησπέρα.
Καλησπέρα φίλε μου, πιλότος όπως είπα και πριν.
Να είσαι καλά.
Όποτε θες θα μας πεις αργότερα και δύο πράγματα για σένα, πόσο καιρό ασχολείσαι κλπ.
Το άλλο το μεγάλο σου παρακαλώ.
Μη σε ζαλίζω τώρα με την πτήση.
Δεν με ενοχλείς. Πετάω 4 χρόνια. Είμαι 1,5 χρόνο ενεργά στο FPV. Μ' αρέσουν τα extreme sports, μ' αρέσει η δράση πάνω σε αυτό, οπότε το κυνηγάω.
Τέλεια.
Το κυνηγάω.
Θα χαρούμε να μοιραστεί κάποια από τα πλάνα του γιατί δεν έχουμε FPV.
Εννοείται, ό,τι χρειαστείτε, πείτε μου.
Και θα τα δούμε όλα στο βίντεο.
Ναι. Εκτός αν δεν έχουμε πατήσει το ρεκ, βέβαια. Όλα καλά.
Καλή συνέχεια, καλή πτήση και τα λέμε και μετά. Να είσαι καλά. Εδώ. FPV χειριστήριο. Goggles 3. Ο φίλος μας ο Οδυσσέας.
The dustiest niggas been fucking with us. Am I a goat? Well, probably not. I probably was, but you probably forgot. My white label had to go white label shit when he stepped out his body and finally got hot. Hand me the tools like I'm picking a lock. Me and white bitches been kissing a lot. My honor comes from the shit that I do for the ones that I love is between them and I. Your honor comes to the court and he offers a plea deal so that you could cut off some time. Nowadays y'all don't want to put in the work. Y'all just won't jump to the front of the line and hurry and run out the 9. Baby boy, please. I heard what you said to little bro about me. Yeah, and when you run into the ice, man, what you gonna do except freeze? You not by the squeeze, you not in the streets. I'm cut niggas off at the knees, they ain't no standing on business with me. If I'm lying, I'm flying economy, give me a motherfucking seat. If I'm lying, I'm flying economy, I bet I know who I see. You know how I fly cause I land at the beach, when you land you can see me. You whisper my name cause the way that it carry, you can't even speak. Yeah, you can't even speak. Whisper my name and don't say it too loud cause you gotta come here and you know I pop out. We turned up Coachella, had boys backing down and we might do the same if we touch rolling loud. If you my nigga then say that my nigga, like what's up my crowd, they come hunt me right now. Come on to me and get one of them out cause you know how these niggas been counting me out. Okay, okay, you gotta whisper my name. Yo, hey, you gotta whisper my name. Yo, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, hey, I'm doing my big one, you doing the little one. What kind of man are you? A middle one. Yeah, my brother said he want a blue beam, I'ma get him one. My new tank don't know how I live, she shopping at Erewhon. My brother got no fuck to give, he popping at everyone. This ain't fixable smoke where you see us all sitting with Farrakhan, nigga. This shit like the bag that you bring on the plane, it's gon' carry on. These boys dress up and think that they somebody, shit is like Comic-Con. My YGs are faster than praying, you lucky it's Ramadan. Otherwise they would be posted outside like the Pentagon. You niggas be hitting the net for some love, you a tennis ball. I take 500K, not a dinner, I never could learn shit from none of y'all. Whisper my name and don't say it too loud, cause you gotta come here and you know I pop out. We turned up Coachella, had boys backing down and we might do the same if we touch rolling loud. If you my nigga, then say that my nigga, like what's up my crew, they come hunt me right now. Come on to me and get one of them out, cause you know how these niggas been counting me out. Okay, okay.
Whisper my name like a cold counting me out.
Okay, you gotta whisper my name. Yo, hey, okay, you gotta whisper my name.
Έχει παντή που κουπάλεις παντού. Φάει μασκή σου του πύλη σκούτρου. Σου κάνει πακέ, σου μένει ο λίπο και πάει να στείλει. Στο